Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-know Chinese phrases for daily life conversations. I will be teaching you simple two-word phrases that you can use easily in your daily life conversations to express your thoughts and feelings. I will be using how in each of the two-word phrases. How means good, nice, or so. How Kong, so empty. How Kong describes things. How Man, so full. How Man describes things. How Gui, so expensive. How Gui describes things. How Gao, so tall or so high. How Gao describes position of things, people, animals, or our own feelings. How I, so short. How I describe people or our own feelings. How Di, so low. How Di describes position of things or our own feelings. How Chang, so long. How Chang describes things or animals. How Duan, so short. How Duan describes things. How Guai, so strange or so weird. How Guai describes things, people, or animals. How Bang, good or good job. How Bang describes people or animals. How Ho, so thick. How Ho describes things, books, food, or clothes. How Bao, so thin. How Bao describes things, food, or clothes. How Jing, so tight. How Jing describes closed lids or covers, doors, or clothes. How Song, so loose. How Song describes closed lids or covers, or clothes. How Gan, so dry. How Gan describes things, clothes, or food. How Shi, so wet. How Shi describes things, clothes, floor, people, or animals. How Zhang, so dirty. How Zhang describes people, animals, places, things, or hands. How Pa, so scared. How Pa describes our own feelings. How Xian, so dangerous or nearly something bad happens. How Xian describes our own feelings. How Fan, so annoyed. How Fan describes our own feelings. Now is quiz time. When do you use how I and when do you use how Duan when saying something is so short? When you use how I, it is based on a vertical height, but when you use how Duan, it is based on a horizontal length. When do you use how I and when do you use how Di? You can use how I when the thing or someone is short, and you can use how Di when the position of the object is at a low position. What do you say when you are so annoyed? You can say how fun. What do you say when something is so expensive? You can say how 贵. What do you say if it is so wet or so dirty? You can say how 湿 when it's so wet, and you can say 好脏 when it's so dirty. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint. Click on the video on the right for the previous video. Click on the video on the left for the compilation of 100 two-word phrases that start with how.